all not good in this hood. Clean up on aisle frickin' everything. Whoa! Oh yeah. Okay, I probably won't run into this one. Look at that one right in the frickin' road. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and go around that guy. Alright, there's our mailman. He's a great guy. He looks like Michael Kadire. I wish he would have looked at us. What's up, Cuddy? Alright. Yeah. Hopefully he stays safe. Not a good day to be walking the route. That's for dang sure. Okay. Luckily not a lot of people around here work, so I guess they're all cleaning up their yards. There's that lady. Okay, there's that. Alright, we're coming upon my home here. Oh, shit balls. I guess I'm not parking in my driveway right now, because there's that. Now we're going to go ahead and turn around. Guess we're going to be doing cleanup on Isle Bundy's tree now. Well, I guess if you're gonna find a positive out of this whole thing, hey, there's gonna be less leaves to rake in the fall.